Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am unboxing up my GoPro Hero 9 which I recently purchased from the Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box and the video is not sponsored at all. So it comes with all the attachment, like it has a 50 accessories and it's really very easy to use with all these attachments. You must need all those. It's better to order with all these attachments, like I saw on the Best Buy that you can buy without attachment, but in my suggestion you will need all these attachments so you can use it very easily. So this is how the package came. This is the GoPro Hero 9 and the camera is 2.7K. This is the recording button and a power button, and here to insert the battery. And the charging type is USB-C type, plus it has also a micro SD card. So this is the installation guide. Basically it will tell you that what you need exactly for the attachment, like for your tripod or your selfie stick, for your car mount or your wristband for your chest. Basically it will show you all the detail that which attachment exactly you need for anywhere to use. And now this is all the accessories which come with it, like the attachment. Like it has so many, sometime you will don't know that which exactly you need, so that's why you have to keep this installation guide with yourself, that you can find it easily that which one you need. So this is for the bike, and next this is for the car mount. So once you're recording in your car, you can just install it in on your cup holder or on your front mirror, anywhere you want. You can just install in recording on this GoPro. So these were all the attachment which come with it, and now let me show you that how you will install for your tripod. This is the tripod, and you will need the screw and this one attachment, and just to tight it up and put it on the top of the tripod. Make sure to tight the screw tightly to not drop up your tripod or your GoPro, and enjoy your recording. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.